everyone and welcome back to Maven Consulting Services, your trusted guide to studying abroad. Alright, quick question. What if I told you that the European Union will pay your tuition fees, cover your living expenses, give you a travel allowance and let you study across 3 different countries in Europe, all for free? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's called the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship. And today, I'm going to break it all down for you. What it is, who can apply, how much money you actually get, and most importantly, how you as an Indian student can win it. So, stay till the end because I've got some insider tips that most people miss when applying. So first, let's understand what Erasmus Mundus actually is, because a lot of students confuse it with a regular university scholarship. Erasmus Mundus is a fully funded scholarship program run by the European Union under their Erasmus Plus initiative. It has been running since 2004 and since then it has been funded nearly 50,000 students globally. Now here's what makes it truly unique. It's not a scholarship for one university. You get to study a joint master's degree across 2 or 3 different European universities in different countries. So imagine completing your first year in France and your second year in Germany or the Netherlands. And India has a very special relationship with this scholarship. India has historically been the largest recipient country of the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship in the world. Let that sink in. Okay. Let's talk about the most exciting part, the money, because this is what makes Erasmus Mundus stand apart from almost every other scholarship. This is a fully funded scholarship. That means your complete tuition fees are covered. We are talking thousands of euros fully paid. You get a monthly living stipend of 1,000 euros to 1,400 euros per month. Convert that. That's roughly 90,000 to 1.5 lakhs every single month for up to 24 months. You also get a travel and relocation allowance of up to 3,000 euros per year to help you move between countries. Health insurance is also included for the duration of the program. So if you do the math, over 2 years, an Erasmus Mundus scholarship can receive the equivalent of nearly 30 to 35 lakhs in total support. That's a life-changing amount of money. And the viral video going around right now showing an Indian student in Europe receiving 1,400 euros a month with money left to save each month. That is this scholarship. It's real. It's not a loophole. It's a merit-based and legitimate one. But it is competitive. Now the big question, can you apply? Let me walk you through the eligibility criteria. The good news, this scholarship has no age limit. So whether you just finished your bachelor's or you've been working for 5 years, you can apply. Here are the core requirements. You must hold a bachelor's degree from a recognized institution or be in your final year of graduation at the time of applying. You must demonstrate strong academic performance. There is no fixed GPA cutoff, but top candidates typically have excellent scores. The English language proficiency is required. Most programs ask for an IELTS 6.5 or equivalent TOEFL. Some programs may also accept other language testing as well. You must not have previously received an Erasmus Mundus scholarship. As an Indian student, you should not have stayed in any European Union or program country for more than 12 months in the last 5 years. This is the 12-month rule, very important. And one thing I want to flag, some programs also prefer or require relevant work experience, so that can strengthen your profile significantly. Alright, so now let's get into the how. The application process for Erasmus Mundus is a little different from regular university applications, and this is where many students go wrong. So listen carefully. Step 1. Choose your program wisely. You don't apply to the European Commission or the EU directly. You apply to a specific joint master's program from the Erasmus Mundus catalogue. There are over 180 programs across fields like the engineering, business, computer science, public health, environmental studies, law and more. So go to the official Erasmus website, browse the catalogue and shortlist programs that match your academic background. Step number 2, you can apply to a maximum of 3 programs per cycle. This is a hard rule. If you apply to more than 3, you may be disqualified from all of them. So choose strategically. Step number 3, apply directly through the program's official portal. There is no separate scholarship application form. When you apply to the program and you are selected, the scholarship consideration is built in. You just indicate you want to be considered for the scholarship. Step number 4, prepare your documents. And what are they? Academic transcripts in English, the motivation letter, this is your most important document, 2 letters of recommendations, updated CV, a copy of your passport, the English language proficiency certificate, that's your IELTS or TOEFL. And step number 5 is the timeline. Applications typically open between October and January for programs starting the following September. So for a September 2027 start, you would be applying between October 2026 and January 2027. So mark your calendars. Okay, let's have a real honest conversation here, because I always believe in giving you the truth, not just hype. Erasmus Mundus is extremely competitive. Depending on the program, acceptance rates can be as low as 1% to 5%. You're competing with students from over 100 nationalities globally. In 2025, only 101 Indian students received the scholarship, down from 161 in 2022. That's a 37% decline. Not because Indians became less eligible, but because more students globally are now applying as Europe becomes a more attractive destination. So what does that mean for you? It means that a degree and a passport is not enough. The committee is looking for exceptional academic records, a compelling focused motivation letter. This is your strongest weapon. Relevant research or work experience, a clear career vision that aligns with the program. And my advice, apply to 3 programs and make sure each motivation letter is customized and specific to that program's objectives. Generic letters don't work here. So here's the recap. Erasmus Mundus is the European Union's flagship fully funded master's scholarship. It covers everything: tuition, stipend, travel, insurance, and lets you study across multiple European countries. India has a strong history with this scholarship, and with the right preparation, you can absolutely win it. Here's your action plan. Visit the official Erasmus Plus website and explore the program catalog today. Shortlist up to 3 programs that match your academic profile. Start working on your motivation letter early. Don't rush at it. Apply between October and January for the next intake. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps this channel reach more students like you across India. Subscribe if you haven't already, because every week I bring you practical, detailed information on scholarships, universities, and the study abroad journey, specifically for Indian students. And if you want personalized guidance on your Erasmus Mundus application, whether it's shortlisting programs, writing your SOP, or reviewing your profile, visit Maven Consulting Services. The link is right there in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming big and keep working for it. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.